back, this is Leena. I'm sure you've seen a lot of people trying charcoal mask right now. It's so trendy and everybody's doing it. So this is one mask that I just got recently and I haven't tried it. So today I'll be reviewing this mask. This is from BioCare. It's called the charcoal peel off mask. And I've seen a lot of YouTubers, a lot of beauty influencers try this. So let's try this and I will tell you how it is. So let me read out the instructions first. It says clean your face with a cleaner. I've already done that. And you just have to pat it dry for 3 to 5 minutes. After that, once your pore is open, then you apply a good thick layer. And you wait for about 30 minutes and let it dry and then you peel it off. So I've cleansed my face already. So I'm just going to apply this. And they've said that apply a thick layer. So I think this will be more than enough, this amount. So I'm just going to apply it now. This smells really good. I was expecting this to be a little more darker. It's not that dark. They've asked us to apply a thick layer, but this is like dripping off. So guys, I've applied it. Try to apply a thick layer. Maybe we should just wait for 30 minutes and see if it works. It's a little messy. Y'all will feel it like it's all over the place. So let's wait for 30 minutes then. So guys, it's almost been like more than 25 minutes, but this thing is still not dry. Like the consistency is quite weird and I don't know why. Like I've tried a lot of masks, they do peel off easily. This is it's taking a lot of time, and plus they said apply a thick layer. So what I'm going to do is I'll try to peel it off. See, this area hasn't dried at all. I think I'll probably just go wash my face. This mask really doesn't work. I think the best thing that I could do is just wash my face off because it's not drying, and it's a definite no from my side because it's taking so much time to dry and I can't see any results. So BioCare charcoal face mask, sorry, just not for me, didn't work. I'll just go wash my face now. So guys, I've tried to wash my face, but believe you me, it's still not going off. I don't know what this mask is. So BioCare charcoal mask is a big no-no. Do not try this. I really hated it. And if you know any other mask that I should try, let me know in the comment section below. And if you guys want to try it and see how it works, try it. But it's a no from me. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.